I will share how to plot three-phase voltage waveform in MATLAB. This video is divided into three parts. In first part, I will share how to plot three-phase voltage waveform like this. In the second part, I will share how to modify that waveform and looks more appealing and attractive like this. Moreover, in third part, we will see how to write a script to ask for a user input for required data. This way is very much practical when we want to do multiple changes and observe the graph. So now let's jump into it. So to start with, we'll write these two commands. To plot three-phase waveform, we require the equation for all the three phases. Let me write the equation for each of the phase. And there we go. Vr is equal to Vm sine 2 pi ft. Vy is equal to Vm sine 2 pi ft minus 2 pi by 3. And Vb is equal to Vm sine 2 pi ft plus 2 pi by 3. This means this is our R phase. The Y phase is out of phase by 120 degree. So we are subtracting 120 degree. And the B phase, we are adding 120 degree. So we'll have three waveforms separated by 120 degree from each other. Now we need to place the values of these variables. So let's say Vm is equal to 320 volts and time. Now I'll write the script to plot all these three different waveform in one figure. So there we go. Here the command we are using is hold on. We'll write hold on and then we'll plot VR versus time. That means R phase versus time. Then again we'll write hold on, Y phase versus time, and again we'll write hold on and B versus time. So this hold on command, it will hold on the values of this plot on one figure and then try to plot another graph. Before going ahead, we'll forgot to add the frequency element. So f is equal to, either you can take 50 hertz or 60 hertz. Right now I'm taking 50 hertz. In later part, I will show you how we can change this frequency from directly from command window. So now let's run this thing. And this is how the graph looks like. Let me change the frequency so that we can clearly observe the graph. Let's make it 1. So this is the waveform of three-phase voltage. This is just a simple graph. Now let's make it more attractive and appealing. Let's close this thing. And now I'll do all the necessary changes. You just observe. And now let's run. So this is how this three-phase voltage waveform looks like. And this is how you can improve the appearance of your graph. Now let's close it. Now we are going to see how we can give a user-defined input for a particular data. For example, instead of applying this peak voltage and frequency, let's make it comment. We want to give a user-defined input. So what we'll do, we make some changes in the script. Now we will add two lines. Using these two lines, we can ask for a user-defined input for peak voltage and for frequency. So there we go. Vm is equal to input into bracket maximum magnitude is equal to this much. Frequency f is equal to input into bracket frequency is in hertz and this much. And now when we run this thing, First, it will ask for what is the maximum magnitude that you want to keep for voltage. For example, let me take it 100, press enter, and then go for frequency. For example, I want to keep frequency 2, press enter, and there we go. This is our graph. Instead of this thing, let's suppose again I'm running it, and now I want to give peak magnitude as 1 and frequency also as 1, and you can observe it from here. So this is how you can give a user defined input to this script.